This is the demonstration of smart power motorized sliding gate. You can see the clear opening is 5 meter, but the gate width is 6 meter. So gate size should be 1 meter more than the clear opening. And I will show you the part by part also. This is the motor. This is the MS rack. This is the rack and pinion arrangement. When the motor pinion will be revolving, the gate rack will be moving and the gate will be moving. This red color is the support structure. You can see the support structure is embedded inside the wall. If it is a brick wall, it can be embedded inside. If it is a RCC wall, then you can keep it inside or you can keep it outside also. And these are the rollers, support rollers. These are the support rollers. On the other side you can see this is the locking arrangement with the support wheels. I will show you the gate movement and each and every part separately. You can see this is the 5 meter gate, 6 meter gate. This can travel 5 meter and can come back. This one is the motor. For a clear understanding, we can remove the motor and can show you. This is the motor and this is the MS rack. This red one is the support structure. If you see from the back side, this support structure is embedded inside the ground, 2 to 3 feet inside the ground in the RCC foundation. You can remove the support structure and can see a clear view. In some places we don't have this yellow wall at the back, so you can remove the yellow wall and only this support structure is enough to hold the gate. In that case, if the wall is not present and the gate is very heavy, then this arm will be extended to the bottom and this will come down to the bottom level and will go inside the RCC foundation for a support. Now this is the lock plate and these are the supporting wheels of the lock plate. You can remove the lock plate like this and can see this is the lock plate, locking arrangement. And this is the total 11 meter rail line for a 5 meter clear opening. This 11 meter RCC foundation will also need to be done. I will show you the cross section of the RCC foundation. You can see this is the cross section of the RCC foundation. This is 300 mm white away from the, this is the boundary wall yellow color, so it is touching the boundary wall and 300 mm width. Height can be 400 mm or between 300 to 500 mm depending upon the soil condition. This is the total RCC foundation. The red one I can show you. The red one is the U channel, 45 mm height, 75 width and 45 down and with the 6 mm thickness. This is the U channel which is embedded inside the RCC foundation. On the U channel you can see a 32 mm round rod which is the rail line. This rail line can be 22 mm or 32 mm depending upon the gate size and the wheel type. Below the U channel you can see there is a rubber pipe or galvanized pipe for passing the wire for the photo sensor. These are photo sensor. You can see this is photo sensor, this is the receiver, and on the right hand side I can show you the photo sensor. This is the transmitter. The photo sensor job is to stop the gate when the gate is closing down. If somebody will come between, if the car or a person will come in between, it will stop the gate. That is the purpose of the photo sensor. For the photo sensor, we need to have a wiring between this rail line from this pillar to this pillar. In addition, I will show you the electrical wiring. You can see there the two wires are coming. One is coming from the control room to the motor. This is 230 volt 5 ampere socket line coming to the motor from the control room. Another is going from the motor and going away to the control room for the push button operation. The people sitting inside this control room can operate the gate with a remote control also from a distance of 20 meter, or from a push button operation also. Push button operation can be any distance 1 kilometer also. Push button from the security room, control room is not a problem. So this is all about the smart power motorized sliding gate SketchUp drawing explanation. If you want to know more, please contact me at 98310-21270. I write down here 98310-21270. This is the contact phone number. Thank you very much.